Hello guys, thanks for clicking this video. This project is VHF UHF intensity field meter or VHF UHF strength meter. I don't know what we should call this project. As you can see, here is the schematic taken from an Iranian book, and here is the component that we need. First, let's test a little bit the project, then we go to talk about a schematic. As you can see, I have one analog VU meter or dB meter. I'm not sure that my camera quality is good to view these numbers over there or not. But as soon as we connect fresh 9-volt battery to the project, we need to adjust the first part to the 0 point like that. Don't go for the metal screwdriver, go for the plastic screwdriver or the IF screwdrivers, especially for the trimmer adjustment or alignment. Very good. It is on the 0 point with the VU meter, and the second part is when we are using the powerful talkie-walkie VHF portable devices that we don't have it here now, but we are going to test with 100 megahertz FM because of usually we want to use this device for the FM frequency meter, and I'm going to make the FM high quality transmitters, so I need the field meter. Very well, this is the 100 megahertz FM frequency coming from my frequency generator over here. Exactly, it is old one but working pretty well. Very good. I'm going, as you see, as soon as the frequency gonna be close to the antenna, the field meter will show some change with the VU meter, and it means the project working pretty well. So to adjust the VU meter or align the project, it is good enough to adjust the project with the crystal oscillators. Output usually is 50 dB. As soon as connect the minus 50 dB to the project, we are able to set the gauge for the 50. If you have any special device for the alignment, for one time calibration is good enough to use the project. Very well. So here is when we have one diode over here. I'm not sure the picture is good enough sharp or not, but here is the diode is AA 119, but I believe it is very hard to find, so we are able to use 1N34 or 1N60. It is not good to use 1N40, 148. It's in Persian handwrite, and it said that 1N40, 148 is not good for this project. So I checked two diodes here that work pretty well, but these are also hard to find. This is OA 70. We are able to find it over eBay or Amazon. Here is the schematic. Here is the data sheet for the OA70 is a germanium diode working till 15 milliamp. So in case of the chip diode request, D1 and 1157 will work, but is very weak for this project and we will not get nice answer. So one more time I will test the device. I will adjust the gauge for D0 like that, and also we are able to test device with a do remote control. As you can see, as soon as I'm pushing the key, we have some change with the VU meter. Thank you very much. We are going to make the high quality long range FM transmitters for this book, like 400 milliwatt FM transmitter. This is very nice book with the schematic and fully component list and the PCB layout front and back, and also we have one high quality more transmitter FM 1 watt, and also we have some more nice projects that we need this device to align the projects. Don't forget to use the sharp 9-volt batteries, and for the alignment go for the IF adjustment screwdriver. Thank you again and goodbye.